Hi everybody, welcome or welcome back. If you are new to my channel, today's video is about a deal that I just picked up that I do not want you guys to miss out. So if you're not subscribed to my channel, I really hope you do. It is so easy and it's free. It's the red button that's right underneath this video. If you press it, it turns gray and you're in. It's that simple. But it's really important for me to help me grow on the YouTube platform. So I really hope you choose to subscribe. The other thing that I suggest to everybody is there is a bell that is beside that subscribe button. If you press it, what happens is YouTube will send you one email just notifying you when I upload a new video. And why that's important is just like today, if you had a notification, you would have gotten that email in your inbox, which is always fun when it's something good waiting for you in the inbox, but it would remind you and tell you what my video is going to be about. You simply press the picture of me and it brings you right to this video. So really hope that you guys will choose to do that. Okay, today what we're doing is there was a deal going on at Walgreens, and on Walgreens, I set up my phone number to get what they call clipped coupons. And you're able to go in whenever you want. They also send you reminders when there's sales and things. But why that worked out for me so unbelievable this month, I got an email that gave me $10 off, which is to me unbelievable, off a kit that was from Maybelline that was available at Walgreens. So I went in on the website at Walgreens to double check to see what this kit was all about. And it was on sale, reduced from $30 to $15. Then I realized I have this $10 coupon. It made it $5. They also have what they call the Beauty Reward Program at Walgreens. So they always give you bonus points, and there's all these systems that go on, but you literally don't have to spend a lot of money to end up getting some bonus money back. So I had, I think, accumulated up to, I think, $25 worth of purchases plus bonus points and all that. So I had $5 sitting in my beauty rewards. So here we go. This kit, this gorgeous kit was a $30 value at retail. The value in here is far more than 30, but they were charging was $30 for this kit. The kit then was $15, so already it was a fantastic deal. Then I had that $10 clip coupon, we're down to $5, and then I had the $5 sitting as my beauty rewards. So pretty much I ended up paying just the tax on this item, and I am so excited to share this with you guys. So I love sharing these deals with you. This is how gorgeous this packaging looks like. And then on the other side is everything that is in here. So what I wanted to do was just share this little scoop with you of what everything was in here. I have not tried this. It's a finishing spray. I have tried the mascara, which is amazing. I have tried the liner, which is also a really good product. And then finally, a lipstick from Maybelline. So I'm gonna open this up, and I'm so excited. I literally just came home from Walgreens and wanted to make sure to get this up so that you guys could benefit on this as well. So let me just, there's some stickers that are keeping this sealed. I'm just gonna take those off. So it has this plastic shield, and I don't wanna make too much of a mess of this because I haven't taken any pictures of this yet for Instagram. So I wanna make sure that I try to keep as much of this intact because I wanna make sure, oh my God, it's sticker after sticker. Okay. So it has this plastic shell. And like I said, the packaging is just beyond stunning. Oh my God. Okay, so that's the plastic shell. There is, it opens up like, almost like a cake box with all the goodies inside. Look at that. Perfect. Okay, and then they have on the bottom here, it says lift and see. Let's see what this is about. Oh wow, this is what's inside there where it says lift and see. Let's see what it says. It says for a new shade of the season, made for all. So that's probably what the lipstick color looks like. I'm going to take a look at that. Then they have for eye-catching lashes, Lash Sensational, and the look that will last you all night, the Lasting Fix. So it says for tips, tutorials, and trends, visit Maybelline.com/makeup tips. So that's everything that's there. All right. So that's fun. Okay. And then you guys are going to hear some crazy popping sounds while I take this out of the plastic, which I always try to do before I film so that you guys don't have to hear this crazy sound. Okay. So let's look at the lipstick shade, and it says it is 376 and it's called Pink for Me. So that's what the shade's going to be. And we'll do a quick swatch of her. And I love Maybelline lipsticks. So let's just feel if this is a matte one or a creamy one, and we'll know. Oh yeah, it's creamy. Okay, I'm going to do a couple of strokes here. I'm going to do one that's just one, and then the other one. So that's one, and that's more. So, and that's a full-size lipstick. So fantastic, fantastic deal. And it's ironic because I couldn't wait to, I really wanted to try this. I love finishing sprays, and I love finding ones available at the drugstore because, of course, you know, the Urban Decay All Nighter is definitely my hands down. If I have a full day or a trade show or anything like that, I make sure that that's what I put on my makeup first thing, and it really lasts me all day. But I love getting finishing sprays. The other one that I have used from the drugstore that I absolutely love is from Milani. And I've used both their dewy one as well as their matte version one, the one that's in the black bottle. Love that too. Can't talk highly enough. It's Milani to me is not a brand that is like drugstore. To me, it's a little bit step up from drugstore. And Maybelline for me has been an absolute win at the drugstore too. So I really, really feel that the drugstore makeup that I've got introduced to, I have loved, from Physicians Formula to the new CoverGirl. They've changed a lot of their formulas. Their True Blend line I love, and Maybelline as well, their Superstay and all that. So let's take a spritz of this one. You always have to prime when you first get something, and I always like to shake finishing sprays. Yeah, it's a very, very fine mist. And there's no real smell to this at all, which is fantastic. Oh my God, very, very excited. So like I said, I ended up getting this new product, this called Lasting Fix, a full-size lipstick, a full-size mascara in Lash Sensational. This is fantastic too. And I think, I don't want to open this because I have so many mascaras open, but I'm pretty sure this is the one that has the rounded wand. If you want to double check, I do have a full video of all my mascaras where I pull them out and I show you all the wands. And I had a huge stash of mascaras because if you're new to my channel, I'm putting all my makeup together. I was living in 2 places and now I'm completely full-time now in the United States. So I want to make sure that if you're looking at getting a mascara, definitely go into my videos and look up all my mascaras and you'll see every single wand. And I tell you what I felt about them, if they were wet, they were dry. So that's definitely in there because I have used this before. And then this is a liquid liner, and it is a felt tip like that. And that's, oh wow. It is really black and it was really easy. And it's not one of those tips that are stiff. This really glided on nicely and it had a bit flexibility to it. So that was really, really great. So once again, full mascara, full, this, I'm so excited to use this. This Lasting Fix. It says makeup setting spray up to 16-hour wear matte finish. So to me, this is going to be competing against the Urban All Nighter, but in the drugstore. Full-size lipstick. Once again, that's the color there, 376, and it's called Pink for Me. And then a smaller version of their liquid lipstick, and this is called Master Precise All Day Liquid Liner. So once again, this is what the outside of the box looks like. It is called Winter Wonder Glam, and that's what the outside packaging would be there. So there's the name of the product. So once again, wanted to share that with you guys. I hope that you're able to get this deal as well, because to me this is phenomenal. And make sure, if you haven't set yourself up for those digital coupons, I don't know if they're geared towards, because I buy, you know, some beauty at Walgreens, but definitely check it out and see if that works for you. Leave me a comment down below where you buy all of your drugstore makeup, and tell me if Walgreens, if when you sign up, or if you choose to sign up for that digital coupon, if you got that same coupon that I did. And I think it was good all the way to the end of December into, I think, the beginning of January. So hopefully you'll be able to get this deal too. Once again, if you're new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. To my subscribers that have been so loyal, and your comments and the growth that I've had in such a short period of time, I cannot thank you enough. It truly, this was something I wanted to do, and I delayed and delayed, and I finally decided to do this. And the comments that I'm getting back and the growth that I'm getting on the channel is proving to me that what I have to say and share is something that you guys want to hear. So once again, if you are not subscribed to my channel, I really hope you do. Make sure it's the red button that's right underneath the video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. Like I said, it's free. And the bell beside it will send you one email notification to remind you that I just uploaded a new video. I do upload a lot. Some of them are time sensitive like this, so I really hope that you choose to do that as well. All right. Thanks again for finding me. Thanks again for spending some time with me, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.